Hi guys, welcome back to Highland Handmade Crafts. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Steph and today we are doing Valentine's Day pocket hugs, and I don't just mean the romantic ones or just the romantic ones. We're also going to be doing some Halloween-y type ones and some first love ones. So if that is something you are interested in, then let's get right on that and see what we can make. Okay, so we're going to start off with some neon colours. We've got neon pink and neon orange here. Neon orangey yellow here, actually. Now, these are the pigments I'm using, and they were given to me by a lovely lady named Janet. I've not used them yet, Janet, but we are using them today. We are also going to be using this colour, which is red, black as well. And I've also got my white Sinker inking because that's very opaque, so I want to make like a really dark themed one of these as well. So we'll see how this goes, we will. So I'm just gonna pour these in. I do also have some really cool stickers that I want to put on these. Okay, that really is cool, that's a cool colour. And today we are using JDiction low viscosity UV resin, and I'm just going to get the bubbles out and then we'll get it cured. Okay, that's all cured now, and look how pretty that is. Look how pretty that colour is. It looks like a sunset. I'm going to choose this to be like if you want to confess your love to somebody, or you know, if you like somebody, can give them something like this. So I've got this sticker here, it says be mine. Now I don't usually do stickers with gloves on. In fact, there we go, no more gloves. So I'm just going to place this on really gently. It is a DTF sticker, so just press it down really warm, like really firmly. Make sure it's all pressed, and then carefully, and there we go. Okay, let's do a top coat now. These pocket hugs, I think, are absolutely wonderful and just give people something to cherish from the loved ones. You could also do like a his and her hearts. So fill one heart with like your boyfriend's favourite colour or your husband's favourite colour. And fill another heart or your girlfriend's favourite colour, I should say. I don't want to leave anybody out. Just different hearts for each of you, and you can keep them always then. And that way, I don't know, if you're at work or if you're just going about your day, you'll always have each other with you, no matter where you go. No gloves again. So we had a bit of an accident while curing, but that's okay. It actually worked in my favour, because if you wanted something for his and her, then you could have a little bit of each colour in each other's hearts, which would make it, I think, a little bit more special. I'm just going to do the taco effect. Make sure that gets stuck down really good. Now, you've got to be really careful with these when you're trying to get DTF stickers off, because you don't want them getting demolded, which I've just done to this one. So there's the she's mine one. Let's see if we can do this one without actually demolding it. I will be putting top coats on these. I'm just making sure that they are actually stuck down and fully cured and all that. Kind of lost some of the though. These DTF stickers are from Temu, and sometimes they don't come very good. Yeah, that black wasn't cured enough, but that's okay. We can put it back under the UV light before it goes over the writing. At least this one's turned out okay. I'm sorry for that sharp cut, guys, but my phone had died and run out of battery, so I'm afraid I couldn't record the rest of this. So this is the full pocket hug for his and hers. So there's hers. I do still need to do a bit of sanding, but it came out really nice, and this is really pretty. Again, I've got some sanding and chopping to do. When you see the pictures, these will be finished, so that's that. And this is the Be Mine one. Bit hard to see the B in this light. There we go, you can see it now. Can you imagine, right, giving this? So if you find somebody you like and you're really shy and you don't know how to confess to them that you like them, Can you imagine just walking up to them and just giving them this? It'll just say everything to them, and then it'll go from there, won't it? I think that's really romantic, giving somebody one of these and, you know, it's saying be mine on it. I think that's really romantic. But for those of you who aren't really into this Halloween stuff and don't like bright colours like this, I did do a Valentine one. It's a black and red colour on the background, and it's got a lady and a skull in it. I think this turned out really well, actually. Really nice. But yeah, if you're into Valentine, like, ignore the scratches there. But if you're into your Valentine, this, or your gothic sort of stuff, this is a nice one. And you could do the Be Mine or the His and Hers in gothic colours as well. It doesn't have to be bright colours. But yeah, that's all of the look. So this is the end of the video now, guys. I want to thank everybody for viewing my video and liking and commenting and especially subscribing as well. It really does mean a lot and it helps my video grow a lot. So thank you so much. And for everybody, for people who haven't subscribed yet, then please consider doing so. It's only a click away and you will get notified of any further videos that I do as well. So I hope you stay for the pictures. And if you want to watch any more of my videos, there is one down below somewhere here. So I will see you on the next video. Bye now, guys.